Hey guys, what's up? It's Liam, back with another video, and today is a scary day. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the tornado sirens are going off. This is kind of creepy, guys. I'm a little scared right now. We do have a hiding spot. There's not supposed to be a real tornado. But there is a tornado warning right now. The sirens just stopped. This is a really short video.
Tornado warning probably stopped.
No, it didn't stop, Luke. Just because the siren stopped doesn't mean the tornado stopped. This is super scary, guys. I'm super scared. This is so creepy. I got food. I'm gonna save it. Save that.
I got a marshmallow.
Save that last
I got
marshmallow.
the last marshmallow.
Save it. Oh my god, did you just hear that? Guys, did you hear that? We're in the bathroom right now. I have goosebumps because I'm so scared.
No, I have goosebumps down here. No, I got the I figured out I have goosebumps right here.
I'm so
before
scared,
I fall.
guys. This is really creepy.
That's why I'm just looking.
It's tornado warning. This is the first tornado warning I've ever been in my life.
Yeah,
so this is so
looking this.
creepy. So, bye guys. Peace out, and I hope I stay alive.